camera towards subject and press takeoff button to start.
Lift off. Take off. Take off. So I'm gonna go and try and test this feature of starting it manually and then having it follow me. See if that works. I got a few questions from people that would like to see if the drone is able to fly from further away, ActiveTrack as they call it. So I'm gonna see if that works. I'm gonna start up the drone, fly it up into the air with my phone, without the module, transceiver, all shebang, only a phone, which means you can buy the cheapest version, which I think is this price. Try it out. So I have no clue if I'm in shot because I'm not a professional, but let's go up. Currently it is, I have no clue how high, doesn't show. And I should be able to just go backwards. See if it can, how do I go down? There we go. So can I now track myself? That is my question. Remember, all of this I'm doing on my phone. It's working pretty good. So let's go down a little bit more. Okay, so currently I'm in manual mode. I assume that follow me.
Aircraft is already performing a task. Try again when finished.
Aircraft is already performing a task, so I can't make it follow me now, I guess. So come home.
Landing.
It's landing now, but I don't want it to land over there, so let me pick it out of the sky. There we go. Okay, so manual mode, that's not working. I would have to make it follow me. We have cycling follow. There's also skiing follow, but I have no clue what that means. So let's just do follow. Start.
3, 2, 1.
There we go. Now it's following me.
After subject starts moving,
But I have the ability
opposite direction.
to the bottom left, get the controller. So I have to say go up and then backwards. Currently it's still following me. It still has track of me, which is great, which means you do not need a fancy controller. So I would say this is quite far away, right? So let's walk. It actually is seeing that I'm walking. I didn't even know this feature existed. We are actually figuring this out now. But yeah, it was a question, so I hope this answers your question. What we can do now is actually ride my bike.
Obstacle detected. Aircraft will temporarily change follow direction.
Okay, apparently there's an obstacle in the sky. Yes, it is seeing obstacles in the sky. But yeah, let's mount this to my bike. Let's go ride.
Obstacle detected. Aircraft will temporarily change follow direction.
It found another obstacle in the sky. And another obstacle. Let me put on my jacket. Well, so far, this is not very disappointing, is it? Thank you. My hair is great, I know. So let me show you my microphone, which is literally in my helmet. As you can see, this is my DJI Mic Mini. And I just put it there on the inside. You can still hear me, I think. So it said, please keep subject in range. It has lost me completely at the moment. Just an FYI. It could also be because there's sun shining into its face. Dude, you're blind. Okay, let me walk to it. You are now seeing me. You see that massive shadow? That's me, buddy. I'm not sure if it's because I put on my helmet. So let's go stop. Put a plus on me. Yeah, that's me. You're gonna follow me. Now start. Get the controller out. No, let's go up. Do a circle from the side. I'm gonna go up. Yeah, so it finds objects in the sky. I'm not sure what. Must be a lot of ghosts. Let's see if it can follow me from this direction. I did notice that it just prompts me with a firmware update. So it might get sorted. Who knows? I'm now going 46 kilometers an hour. 48, 49. And it is going behind me, which means I'm probably going too fast. Also, this is in normal follow mode. This is not cycling mode. Probably makes a little bit of a difference. I am 70 kilometers an hour, 56, 57, 50, 60 kilometers an hour, and now I need to slow down because I will drive into that big pile over there. Very, very slippery. It still has a fall. It's still on me. This is great. Okay, I think it lost me now. Yeah, it lost me. So if you go too apeshit, it will not track you. But yeah, I'm not sure if everybody that would have a drone like this would go the speed I just did. Maybe they do, maybe they don't. Oh, I can see that it is searching for me at the moment. Ah, I can see it hanging, but I also see birds. Birds, I'm afraid of birds. Because I'm afraid those birds will attack my drone. But as you can see, I'm quite far away from my drone. It was doing almost backflips, basically. I do notice that it's very close, which I definitely did not set it as, funnily enough. Let's put it back up again into the sky. But as you can see, I went around 50 kilometers and it's still 60 kilometers even on this piece of road, and it still did a great job. Let's do this. Can I see? I don't need to touch my thing. I can just keep doing this. And then I can just angle it in the position I want to. Okay, it sees my... It's a bit hard to see for it, of course. It will follow my hands, and if I now do this... It's a little bit erratic, I would say. Of course, I am all black. The sun is shining very bright. Okay, it says low battery, return to home, cancel. I do not want you to return to home. I want you to keep following me for now. You can't do that for those. You should be able to do that easily. It's not too far. We'll return back to home, aka backpack. Oh, it is. I do not want you to land. Specifically not now. No! You're landing in a puddle, you idiot. Stop! There we go. I saved it. It wanted to land in a puddle. Okay, let's turn it off. There we go. Put it in my bag. And drive back to my backpack. That's neutral. We ain't going anywhere in neutral. Oh. There we go. We've arrived. So, okay, so the conclusion. The Neo can track you for around 60 kilometers an hour for an X amount of time. Of course, it will move away from you, but still, hey, can't complain, right? So I would say yes, it's just a fucking nice drone. You don't need the module on the back. You can use whatever you like, either your phone, or you have to attach the module and then you can use a controller, but you don't need to. It adds a little bit of flight time because with the module you're gonna be way closer to the 10 minutes, maybe 11. Yeah, this is just I guess shorter than the previous one. For now, I think I'm just gonna go for a little ride. Let me know if you want to see some more Neo videos and subscribe. Really helps me out. Bye peeps. Peace out.